Hey everyone, welcome back to episode 2 of our 5-part cooking series here at the Sukho Thai Cuisine Cooking School in LANTA, Thailand. On the last episode, we took you on a tour of a local Thai food market and introduced you to the one and only Chef Pak, our local guide and professional chef. At the market, we tried unique foods, learned about local ingredients, and purchased our shrimp for this episode, and we're going to teach you how to make shrimp spring rolls. So first, let's gather all of our ingredients. We're going to need an egg, some shrimp, coriander root or cilantro root, and spring roll sheets. Let's start by preparing our shrimp. We want to make 3 small incisions about 1 millimeter thick so that the shrimp can lay flat. And make sure you don't cut too far and cut the shrimp all the way. This is the correct technique here. Now repeat this process until all the shrimps lay flat. Now let's finely dice our coriander root. If you don't have coriander root, you can also use cilantro root or the stems of the cilantro. Let's transfer the finely diced coriander root over to the mortar and pestle and pound it out into a nice creamy consistency. Let's also add in our cloves of garlic and whole peppercorn and continue to pound it into a nice paste with the mortar and pestle. Once the paste is uniform, we can dilute it with some soy sauce and mix it in with the shrimp so that it's all nice and seasoned. Now we're going to prepare our spring roll sheets by cutting the egg roll papers into an L shape. What you want to do is make an incision about 2 inches down and then fold the egg roll wrappers to form a straight line that is aligned with the incision and the cut. We can set aside the scraps. Now we separate each layer of the egg roll wrapper. And you can feel both sides. One of them is rougher than the other. The rough side is actually the side that's going to go up and where we're going to add the shrimp. After placing the shrimp nice and flat, we can go ahead and get some of the leftover paste that we made and put it on top of the shrimp. Fold over the one little piece right here, and then we're going to roll it as tight as possible. Then take your palm and hold the other end of the wrapper and begin to wrap the shrimp tightly. This is going to help it to be less greasy when it fries and it's all nice and compact together. Once you get near the end of the rolling process, all we're going to do is use a little bit of egg yolk, and that's going to help bind it together and keep the shrimp roll from unraveling when we fry it. And voila, we've got our shrimp rolls ready for the deep fryer. So what you're going to want to do is repeat this process for the amount of spring rolls you'd like to make. Remember the excess sheets that we had left over? Well, we're not going to let anything go to waste. Let's roll it up nice and tight, and then we're going to slice it into small little sections here, and we can actually fry this up and use this as a nice decorative crunch. Now we're ready to deep fry. Now traditionally for the oil, here in Thailand they use palm oil. You can use any other kind of neutral oil, like a vegetable or canola as well. You want to bring it up to temperature before you go ahead and add in the crisps. And once they're nice and lightly golden, you can go ahead and take them out, and let's place them here on the plate. This will be the base that holds up our shrimp rolls. Now for the main event, let's go ahead and drop in our shrimp rolls. Once golden brown, we can go ahead and remove them from the frying pan and let them cool in a nice drying rack, and this is going to help get rid of the excess oil and let it drip down. If you skip this step and put them directly onto a plate, it can also get very soggy. And our spring rolls are ready. That's it. We're going to use a little bit of pineapple for decoration and our little fried spring roll crisps. Dip them in a little bit of Thai chili sauce. And oof, yeah, that's the stuff. Stay tuned for the next episode, episode 3, where Chef Pak and I teach you how to make a traditional pad thai. You can find all the episode links in the description down below. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button as it would greatly help us out on our YouTube algorithm. If you want to continue to follow our culinary adventure, please subscribe to the channel as we're going to be posting videos on here weekly. And as always, dish it all out in the comments as we really want to hear from you. Let us know what recipes you'd like us to cover and what you need help with in the kitchen. So, see you on the next one.